Assalamu Walaikum.
Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video.
In this video, I am going to show you how to remove text background color in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. We can see here many data to this spreadsheet. Now we can see here some background color of some cell. Now we want to remove the background color text. At first select this cell, then go to the home menu. We can see here the theme color or the fill color drop down menu. Now I am select this drop down menu and choose no fill. Then we can see we remove the color easily. Now I am want to remove the multiple cell background color or the text background color. Click and drag on our mouse to select the multiple cells. Then go to the home menu. Select this fill color drop down menu. Choose no fill. Now we can see we remove text background color easily. I hope you enjoyed my video.
Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.